I just can't think of anything worse, right, than one of them open face helmets where there's no chin protection and coming off.
Yeah. Oh my God. Could you imagine? You would take your jaw off.
Your jaw would be gone.
It would, literally, yeah. But do you know the other thing that gets me as well? So yes, that is probably obviously the worst thing. But how many times have you been riding and a stone has chipped up and hit you in the face on your visor?
Plenty.
Like,
yeah, plenty.
Could you imagine like riding at speed and then a stone hit? It would not take much to hit.
Even a bug.
Yeah, yeah.